Hello viewers, this is Karuna classes for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am Vijay Singh. I am technically skilled and chartered engineer. In this presentation, we will discuss about conductors and insulators considerably used in the construction of all kinds of electrical apparatus and for the covering of wires and cables. Conductors and insulators. Conductors are substances which allow the flow of current to take place under the influence of electrical forces. Almost all metals are conductor. Silver, gold, copper, aluminum, etc. are the examples of conductor. Insulators are those substances which do not allow the flow of current under the influence of electrical forces. Examples of good insulators are ebonite, mica, glass, bakelite, porcelain, slate, fiber, asbestos, paper, wood, dry air, etc. There is no rigid line separating the conducting substances from the insulating substances. The insulating properties of an insulator lie on its specified operating voltage. High voltage can deteriorate dielectric properties of an insulator. Conducting materials. Materials of high conductivity are silver, gold, copper, aluminum, iron and steel. Copper alloys. These are divided into two groups, bronze and brass. Bronze. It is the alloy of copper, zinc and tin, and also alloy of tin, cadmium and beryllium, etc. Beryllium copper. It is alloy of copper and 1 to 2.5% cadmium. It is harder. Beryllium copper. It is alloy of copper plus 1.1% cadmium. It is stiffer and harder. It is used for contacts. Phosphorus bronze. It is alloy of bronze and 1% phosphorus. Brass. It is alloy of copper 66% and zinc 34%. It has greater mechanical strength and wear resistance. Gunmetal. It consists of bronze and tin. It is used for bushes of fan and small motors. German silver. It consists of copper, nickel and zinc. It has the properties of hardness, toughness and resistance to corrosion. It is used for silver-plated tableware, marine fittings and plumbing fixtures. Because of its high electrical resistance, it is used also in heating coils. Materials of high resistivity. Manganese. It consists of copper 86%, manganese 12% and nickel 2%. It is used for precision work such as measuring instruments. Constantan. This consists of copper 60 to 65%, nickel 40 to 35%. It is used for resistors. Platinum, nichrome, canther available in round and strip section are used for heating devices. Superconductors. At very low temperature, aluminum, cadmium, indium, lead and mercury act as a superconductor. Insulating materials. Materials which have very high electrical resistance and practically non-conducting are termed as insulators. Insulating materials are used considerably in the construction of all kinds of electrical apparatus and for the covering of wires and cables. The main requirements of a good insulating materials are a high specific resistance to reduce the leakage currents to a minimum, For a good insulator, its value may be of any value from a few mega ohms to infinity. A good dielectric strength, that is a high value of breakdown voltage, usually stated in kilovolts per mm. A good mechanical strength in tension, compression or bending to resist the stresses set up during erection. Little deterioration with rise in temperature. The insulating properties with the rise in temperature should not change much, which usually occurs on load in electrical machines and apparatus. Non-absorption of moisture, that is non-hygroscopic. The insulating material must be non-hygroscopic, that is, it should not absorb moisture when exposed to damp atmospheric conditions. The insulating properties of an insulator, especially its specific resistance and dielectric strength, decrease considerably with the absorption of even a slight amount of moisture. Insulating materials based on products. It may be classified under the following headings. Mineral insulators, these are mica, marble, slate. Vitreous and ceramic materials are glass, quartz, porcelain, steatite. Rubber and rubber products are VIR, that is vulcanized India rubber, ebonite, vulcanite, gutta percha. Waxes and compounds, these are paraffin wax, Chatterton compound, bitumen. Fibrous materials, these are asbestos, wood, paper, pressburn, lazurite, cotton, silk, oil or varnish tape, adhesive tape. Synthetic resin products, that is plastics. These are bakelite, PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, polythene, shellac, varnish, enamel, oil. Materials based on thermal stability. Classification of insulating materials used for electrical machinery and apparatus in relation to their thermal stability are as follows. Class and temperature, these are two categories. Y class stand up to 90 degrees centigrade, A 105 degrees centigrade, E 120 degrees centigrade, B 130 degrees centigrade, F 155 degrees centigrade, H 180 degrees centigrade, C above 180 degrees centigrade. Classes of insulating materials with respect to their thermal stability. Class Y, under this category, the insulating materials are cotton, silk, paper, cellulose, wood, etc., neither impregnated nor immersed in oil. Class A insulating materials are materials of class Y impregnated with natural resins, cellulose, esters, insulating oils, laminated wood, varnished paper, etc. Class E, under this category, the insulating materials are synthetic resin, enamels, cotton and paper laminates with formaldehyde bonding, etc. Class B insulation. Under this category, the insulating materials are mica, glass, fiber, asbestos with suitable bonding substances built up mica, glass fiber and asbestos laminates. Class F. Under this category, the materials of class B with bonding materials of higher thermal stability. Class H. Under this category, the insulating materials are glass fiber and asbestos materials and built up mica with silicon resins of higher thermal stability. Class C. These are mica, ceramic, glass, quartz without binders or with silicon resins of higher thermal stability. That is all about the conductors and insulators used in the construction of all kinds of electrical apparatus and for the covering of wires and cables. In the next presentation, the topic of discussion will be electric circuit and its elements. Thank you all for watching.